chilling in this beautiful meadow surrounded by mountains with pretty much like 0 people around me. It is amazing. Sending some love out into the universe. I thought that I would record a tiny bit and share it with you guys. Chanting to the deity of Ganesh, the remover of all obstacles. If you're curious about the background of that or what that even means, I recommend Googling it because it's a really cool story and it is a powerful source of energy to come back to in, I wouldn't say in times of need, literally anytime. Anytime is a good time to chant, my friends. Ayo! My friends, let's put the energy out into the universe that all obstacles are removed. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. 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 Om Gam Ganapatate Pataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate 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 Pataye Pataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate Pataye Pataye Namaha. Om Shanti Om. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate Pataye. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate. Whoa, whoa, my mouth just threw up a little there. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Pataye Namaha. Oh, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha Namaha. Om Shanti Om. It's getting real hot out here. My God, gotta take my sweater off. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I will end that there. Sending my love from the mountains and also sending you a huge ray of sunshine from my heart to yours. I've been supercharged, so I now have that ability. So it's real. Accept it. You are glowing.